fellow creatives, my name is Oluwafolasewa Idowu, and I'm the founder of the Seid brand. And welcome to Seid, the YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here. So on this channel, I inspire the creative in you by posting tutorials. Okay, the main tutorials that I post on my channel are sewing tutorials. So yeah, you know that is like the basis of my channel. And the sewing tutorials that I post range from like sewing from scratch. Then I also post pattern tutorials. I post no sew DIYs, and also thrift transformations, sit down videos where I just sit down and talk about sewing terms, sewing techniques, just show you like different things, and also sewing hacks as well. Yeah, like those are the content of sewing tutorials that I post. They're really fun, they're really educative, and they're really, really, really detailed. Okay, my sewing tutorials are really, really detailed, and they will just help you. So I post from beginner to intermediate sewing tutorials. As the creative enthusiast that I am, I also post fashion style videos and bead making tutorials. So yeah, if you know that those contents are what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on all the tutorials. If you're a fellow creative like me, that you love to create new things and you just love to let your creative juices flow, this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on all the tutorials that I have. So yeah, that is just it for this video. I just thought to just make a channel trailer so that I can just explain to you what this channel is about and what you should be expecting from this channel. So yeah, that is it for this video. Please make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and also make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.